Welcome back to Lumberjack Week 2025. We're back in Nice, but this time just walking around town. First up, we have this traditional Russian Orthodox church called the Cathedral of St. Nicholas de Nice. And a chapel built on the same grounds of the Russian Orthodox Church, but for another Nicholas who I will honor by not attempting to pronounce his full name and butchering it. After the churches, we walked along the streets to make our way to an art museum. The building was called a palace, and after seeing the views around the building, I get it. The art inside was cool too, but I couldn't bring my camera in. Obviously, I can't end my day without making it back to the beach to watch the sun set. There was a lot of walking that day, so we found an outdoor bar built into the promenade along the beach. Next to the bar, there was a rock installation about world peace. That ends day 4, but day 5 will bring some neon flair to the week. Stay tuned.